Hello, Mr. Vivia. This will be here. I have to congratulate us for a very good job done. It is very important that we congratulate ourselves for a great job done. We have done very, very well. I think there's something wrong with my live video. The fun is na asama Akufo-Addo kan no yaye maka no man yehu. In 2016 Akufo-Addo say obeye mampani na opese ye citizens are not spectators. Nti ye citizens na ye hwe ne chima no na ye kire say we si wo ha we say we are the real winners of this election. Yen na ye win election no obi aka bia wan win hwe. Omo tewa bibi nkoyi omuntumi nka omo enwini hwe and Ghana for ayade ya adwuma den papa. It is not easy for so many MPs to lose their seats. It is not easy for about 60 MPs to lose their seats. And yet 60 MPs MPs of the ruling government, will be a minister. They have all the resources. TV, they still lost their seats. It is not easy. It is a great job that we have done. We have done very, very well. Yeah, dear Papa. But for that, MPP was going to win easy. And they were going to think that you win elections with freebies. Yeah? 2016, Akufo-Addo wanche obi ahwe. In 2016, Akufo-Addo wanche nyoma wanche obi abibia o. He still won the election with a huge margin. He only promised and he won the election with a huge margin. In 2020, they had all the money to share. They had given free electricity, free water, free education. The ministry is calling you to dash you money. Still, they struggle to win the election. And what Chira was saying, Ghanaians are not into the freebies. Ghanaians are only looking for somebody who can fight corruption. That is what it shows. NDC and MPP, they have their core supporters. Where they are, NDC for me, MPP for those ones are there. And then we have the people who vote on issues. They make you who you are. And to those people were splitting because they were confused. And there are the people who believe that 8 years into Moma and Adunko. And yet 3 years I can another election ought to mean 45%. Ought to mean. But for 3 years and go 45%. Because when you apart from 3 years, I dear Ghana for person or year on one casaka say young one no money here. Younger citizens are not spectators. In terms of fighting corruption, he didn't fight nothing. In fact, he spent the 4 years fighting those who are fighting corruption. That's what he did. He spent 4 years fighting those who are fighting corruption. You understand what I'm saying? And you know, it is the people out there on social media. It is Manasseh Azuri. It is Kofi Bento. It is Franklin Kujo. It is the Auditor General, Martin Amidu. These are the people who have caused the MPP to lose. And no one say the omnimo. You see, the issue is that they are pretending as if, we need, problem you know. Look. Move we are, move heavy. Media main kasa bani is unnecessary. And our banocracy NDC for 2008 and 2012. Akufo-Addo say move we are, then they are attack. And Donald Trump crossed the America, so I'm not interested in the Riano. The fact of the matter is that so they have reduced drastically any war, Sabanya or take power. Just after 4 years, you can lose all of these. The reason is that Aban Weber power no, and no be bring here Juma or Memuha. Institutions don't work. Aban Weber power no. Ghana institutions in here Juma. Okay? Ghana institutions that are supposed to fight corruption. Yoko. Yoko wouldn't be a more year. Yoko, a Juma Bakupen, a Yoko ye. Yoko, Omo the Cheche boys, Sakawa boys, Papa, a friend saying, why transfer on a money transfer, you'll be a Sandusika. Oh, where's no me a friend saying, I didn't, yes, it's almost browse you, so I don't even know what. Yoko, you more yarn, so we can be able to account from person who's can. So, I'm between me and you, aha, Yoko, the human. Yoko, economic and organized crime unit of one. I also, almost check say, and you may be cause of them, they don't do. Yoko is just for harassing people, Sakawa boys, young boys. CID, what you're checking out, go through. Criminal Investigation Department of Ghana Police. Human is also investigating crime na cause women, especially in government agencies. Omo check na nkwa. And I say, I see the Guardian of me. Obi ye obi a trust nigga call ye Miss Bell I call ye we on the process here. BNI, yeah, the chief political opponents. Human we are no. Political opponents like Yaba Power, Mungo Rihe Plus Amra, Winwaba Power, Mungo Rihe, Kevin Taylor Amra, BNI Negumano on fighting corruption. Auditor General knows to say you're politicizing no. Aye beans. Auditor General, you're so uncle leave. You're politicizing or any other government will remove any Auditor General you put there. Special prosecutor, one can say Ghana, we're Ghana everywhere. So okay, Ghana for moment for your green. The special prosecutor has run away. So now, as we speak, there is nobody in this country who is fighting corruption or is going to fight corruption. The only people that are left to fight corruption are me and you. We are the only people left in this country to fight corruption and to point out the wrongs in the system. And so, you see, it is very amazing when people think that Martin Amidu is the wrong person. Ghana had the way a Kono Hano. So Obi start so can Kono ewa Bemua. I was saying Nipana war memu and the Nipanachi. Because Obi Nemba Nemamienu Abrewa bear 60 something years. And then Nemamienu and Nenana with the bear 7 months or 6 months. Omuku ye guru, you don't put on some prison plus a Korani. So when we are talking about corruption, everybody must be interested. Now, there are some people who think that, oh, we have won the election. And those who are talking about corruption, hey. Intimate Munyansa Kakra, Timothy Jimina. I hope we win the election. Many invitation to inauguration. Meko dinner, Ubekobi, Unyabi. But Jimmy, Intimate Academy, Jimmy, I am no Unyabi, invitation, Unyabi, young fellow. Ube whom you are dinner, the baby, Yamekobi. And I'm a peduma, so I'm a come home, maybe. They say, Cronom, who do my yaya within 4 years. They say, there, Omon pressure. What ya, Adia Unya, yes, or Unya, as with Jimmy, ya catch yourself. Yaya, you been your baby, ya catch yourself, move out, was a hate, won't you say? Why do you, baby, Jimmy, now, made a young so, a young moment, Naka women can't say. Say, I mean, waiting young women can't say, what do we be said, we can't say. MVP for your moving election. Who ni mobia wo? Me ni mobia. Me akomo ne meda aguguado odi 4 years, upon the 10 years. Akomo ne meda. But your conscience never you dream. It cannot be bought with material things. I was here green or mine no kan ho. MVP for pressure your mom or mem ha and then your address be be gina. We sure said they want to fight with anybody. No. What the idea Unyanya wa ban ya ba power mo we ni adi nyina ne say ye be truly omu. Oh nyankopon nyameba we nya hwe trolling na unyanya. 5 as for us, this country does not belong to us. He has won the election. We congratulate him. Why are there? We win the election, you know. We lose his majority in parliament. Omubeye fetchere ombe wiemu ase na be ya ombenya majority in parliament. No ko wi abano against NDC for ye beto abakra NDC for strong way, but voter with your baby almost ho na abano kra ye nto. What you say? You know, we're losing the majority in parliament. Nanka me pese NDC for win majority clear. Nanka see no ketia ye speaker of parliament. Afi mo de kono e Japan ade ba be fa ho ma ya hwe. Ne de see no ketia ye speaker of parliament. Nanka ade na Ghana no ya chamienu executive no ho, legislature no ho. And we have to put pressure on the governments for mine to call him. And I'm names are. When you say, why better? When you better, bleeding, you are better. And one baby, I do my beginner. When you bring my brain. Look at how ministers are falling. It is a clear indication that the people are telling you that and everybody, the institutions that I named, Yoko, CID, DNI, Auditor General, Special Prosecutor, all of these institutions, the only thing that they are looking for is Kwame Plus to do something so that they will go and arrest him. They will never fight corruption that is in the system. They will never support the president to fight corruption. The president himself won't support them to fight corruption. It doesn't work. And so the people of this country must rise up and do it by themselves. And we have the people. Omodi Akufo-Addo sees as president, we will love to fight. That is our whole life. It's about fighting. Yeah, our whole life is about fighting. We will love to fight. So immediately at Akufo-Addo basis, near congratulations Nana about where the way so. His role in this country is to govern, and our role is to protest and to talk. That two things. Only the answer now, the Constitution says we must combat corruption, and we will combat it. Look, we have the people. We might tell a news conference, TVP news conference, a week election. By sending text messages across, we will put people on the street. And now, after that 1 year, the people have increased. So many people send us messages. Hey, TPP, we want to join. Hey, now the membership has increased and we are going to protect because the institutions won't work. So we are going to fight the corruption ourselves. Whether Akufo-Addo is the president or that one, any problem. And everybody who has a certain conscience must be part of it. Yes, and when we need today. When we know, you better know, I bet now. I go for 4 years, and you're not best in Quay. I don't be 100 years. By 2022, and before move, we get the next flag bearer for my party now. Or you see Baumia, we see Alan, a bayan to quake, the our party. What are the moments in politics? A bayan to quite bigger, Alan, but a bayan to go party. So, me, no problem with who is in power. Me, the answer, member pressure. I have to be a citizen of this country. I have to protect my taxes. So if you don't want to do that job, and you are happy that people should steal your money, that is your own problem. But the Constitution says that we are police bet me actual Matthias here, and the same Constitution says that we should combat corruption, and we have to do that. So I'm quite serious to buy any winner takes only one change. Like I bring at the bar, Ben when say you're winning the young China. Now more change you'll be on the Juma or no man or so no Namukata. When you are Casape, when your problem that beside the name cost between 2021 and 2024, the both time we need a motive to see a temporal. A temporal. Now, more MP before, when we say, Akufo-Addo, I the papa be lasted. Or call that bone. A yana, or pay a yana, come, or push your boots, say yellow, say red. Come, and your bayana, I was in this year. Momo, there be a temporal because a Jimmy for the doors from the party. With a head, baby, baba. When you MPP deal, it is only as some wagon. One say penalty, or best say go. They were born we are dang, BBC. Either so best say penalty, and as you bring a clear chance of a part to Akini. It's a head there, and once I'm better, and before Muya is Adiana Moyano. So you didn't win anything. We have reduced your majority in parliament. We have reduced the votes that you got. We have put you through a struggle to win the election, and it has been done by all the people who were constantly accusing you of everything and talking about everything in the country. It includes the Manasseh, the Kwame Mensah, the your friend is saying Franklin Kujo, your friend is saying Kofi Benton, everybody, and the ordinary people on social media who were against this, they voted against you. And we are going to arise as the youth of this country to fight. Akufo-Addo then obey a popular opinion because he was fighting with Rawlings. Because Obi was something near the only bit Rawlings. Obi no memu ha or to about for free SHS and no much rem. Aban be no one free lights in the history of this country, free water. but still nkɔpɔ no pɛ sɛ ɔmo tum ɛka dɛ mo nwie mu a against it na me de nwie mu de ayɛ me dɛ ndc for mo so awia nana pɛn ndc for nana 2012 no ɛkyɛ sɛ 50 something vote sɛ 50,000 mo wie mo so mo awia nti me de ateka ɔmo awia ndc for so nkɔ court ɛsi but it doesn't end there. The fact that Akufo-Addo has won, it doesn't end there. Also, everybody must be part. But me, I can promise you, I can promise you something. Me, I can promise you something. Between 2021 and 2024, there are two things that all of us must pray for. Say, Nanado Abayano, Ebekoye, and the issues we see in the past 4 years, these are the things that we have to pray for. Yen odie okonfoboni otil kro bi mu se kro be gunegu ono so timu bi enti yem mom paye se Akufo-Addo enim ngu ase anase na ban no menko yie yem pese ye be kasa ya bre enti ye yem anka this last year 4 years yake Akufo-Addo dey be ye be different in terms of corruption free no Ghana for actually say free na for si ba dia Ghana for actually very clear so say be ye free ye na wa problem Ghana for making it very clear say that free na your nonsense Ghana for actually say omo pe abanya obe fight corruption because as a president every budget will go where it has to go. The budget that is meant for agric will go to agric ministry. For education will go to for health will go to health. What the problem is in this country is government spending and corruption. And the people of this country are looking for a government that has the will to fight corruption. And you know, Yebompa Mananado say this second term, no, we do not have to talk. We don't want to talk. We are wishing that Nanado Abayano, Ebekoye, issues see first 4 years, no, Nanado, you yourself, you have to have a legacy for yourself. You need a legacy for yourself, Nana. Wow, legacy. Say me Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo be president no ade we nam do ye Ghana for actually say free SHS no enye nom de to aba enti no say hwehwe ade bi a we a obiara de bebo wudin papa aha say free SHS no mo pepa anka ba no ka we ni be 54% 55% eno enka ho yifrim these 4 years I wish Nana well and I'm a bomb pie say we do not have to talk, but if it happens that we have to talk, that we have to protest, I can promise you that it is going to be very, very chaotic. We are going to put many thousands of people, in fact hundreds of thousands. No individual, no function team say, Waba Ben we say MPP are winning to know more bet one and we and so another movie real man with impudence, with arrogance. Yan can yoku names our special prosecutor and we're gonna we will deal with it on the streets. I'm telling everybody, the constitution allows us to do that, and we have the people, and this is the era of social media. It is just text message away, and we have the people in your own in this country to help us to do that. We have the men, we have the people to finance it. Look, there are so many people in this country who are ready. If it continues like this, we are going to fight. That's not the fight I'm talking about. But we are going to combat corruption just as the constitution says. And you know, say, what's your memu? Na enyoma bebre nkoye. Na so obi kan mo MP formina MP. Ohwe no say dabi. Mo constituency elections no konu wom dodo and I maybe the way aba and obi antumi yahwe and say once or independent. The Formina MP is the only independent candidate, I guess, in parliament. And he's the most powerful person right now. He is going to make the decisions. It means that what we have been saying every day is what we have to be preparing for 2024. We have to have many independent candidates in parliament. Even if we have 6, near to the big 6, we have to bring back the big 6. We must bring back the big 6. And these big 6, at least there should be 6 constituencies that are independent, that will be in parliament, that will fight for the right things to be done. And MPP 4, NDC 4, the Speaker of Parliament, we want an independent-minded person, or no mere Speaker of Parliament. Now, or no leading parliament business. So many things must change in this country, and nobody must give up. One for me na MP no, ye pam no nim say ye no boni. Ya pam no, ye gu n'animu ase. Ya yesi. When there baby for me na MP no, ogina. He's the most powerful person in Ghana today. So nobody must give up. We have to make a name in this country. We have to save this country. Nobody must give up. Nobody must feel bad. The prayer is not for NDC to come to power, MPP to come to power. The prayer is for us to be able to fight corruption ourselves, irrespective of who is in power. John Mahama about power and corruption by war. We'll be going to sleep to say occupy Ghana. John Mahama what power? Omu ye de this Christian Council. Ombe de this John Mahama no corrupt. Ombe de this John Mahama feel power. Akufo-Addo by no my omo kasabi. Is that what we are going to do? So Akufo-Addo John Mahama win here. Nke no ano ya di. No. Whoever is in power, we must fight corruption. We must fight it. Everybody must be part of it. If you don't want to be part of it, you can go. But all of us must come together and fight. Because the institutions won't fight it. The institutions does not work. And you see, if you are a very smart person, you know that from 2021 to 2024, anything that I do in terms of protest and everything, I will get many supporters. Because they will be fighting in MPP for who takes over. And NDC too will support so that the government will become unpopular. And at the end of the day, it will send a very good signal to the independent voter. So me, I'm standing there. I'm a very happy person. These 4 years, I'm going to come walk room, because look, at the end of the day, life is an everlasting, it's an eternal struggle. And I love the fight. If you say John Dumelo, say John, and then one can stand a MP, I will vote a baby. Now we call a East Legon. I say I want the challenge, and I love the challenge. I love the fight. So we are wishing Nana Akufo-Addo well. We are praying that Obaya Ghana ye ama ye nyina ye ho atoye ne ye peno no ye bompa ye ma no. No say nkofo bi na Akufo-Addo obewu da bi san kwase asem no munya keka e jimi kasa e jimie Akufo-Addo wu a won kosi saman kwan wo obi abewu bi e jimie kasa ade e peso owu wo krom ha e ye corruption wo bompa ye say corruption ni ya hwehwe corruption ni yenku no yentumi nkunu kura yen krepo no ntena wheelchair me we say ano abrase kakra because omu wia sika dodo empanifo no wia sika no dodo obi enkasa akwara koye onyi omu browse omu ye oye na client send no sika ba ko pe na yoko tan tata no esu yoko to me nchi akonfo na wokuru ha no omu ankasa ja akonfo no nchi omu. We have to come together and fight it. That is what we have to fight. And no say ebon pai say enwu not Akufo-Addo yesrem kwatenten ma no. Yes, rest and Yakopon Bonhoba. Yes, rest say on your my Ghana, Krabeshe Mayan, Nina Jaikas and Ubia Yedi. Anything less than that. It is going to be a very interesting 4 years. Very interesting. We have the people. When we put 100,000 people on the street, everything will cease, and we can do it. We do not want to do it. We wish we won't do it. We wish everything will be peaceful, everybody will go about their normal duty. But if the kind of things that happened in the last 4 years is going to happen, then it is going to be very, very interesting. I mean, you will be answering. I mean, you will be answering. The best thing she will have you. Let them say.